Hello everyone. I warmly welcome you to today's episode of the Lift Your Life Up series. I am your host Naman Shah and today we are going to explore episode 2, Diagnose Yourself. How to diagnose yourself and why. As I said, talk to yourself and diagnose yourself. This will increase your inner power and will also help you to solve your problems. Diagnose yourself by talking and questioning to get your answers and increase your self-confidence. If you make your inner power or the willpower stronger, it would benefit you a lot. Willpower is like a muscle which you have to go on strengthening it every day. Doing something once won't be enough. To increase your willpower, follow this. First, meditate at least for an hour to develop willpower. Or meditation is very important because it benefits you in a lot of ways. You can start meditation with 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes and then at time increase it. Second, physical exercise are not only for weight loss but it also helps you to live a better life. Because you don't need only high intellectuals but also need high energy. It may be in any form, yoga, treadmill or etc. Third, at least 5 to 6 hours sleep is required. If you are a spiritual person or if you are busy and wake up early in the morning, sleep early. Minimum 5 to 6 hours sleep is required and maximum you can go for 7 to 8 hours, not more than that. Follow this and increase your willpower, then no disease can make you weak, as nothing can stand before your willpower. Willpower is very important, no matter if you are broken from outside, but if your willpower is strong and you have the courage, you can face any challenge in your life. As for example, Corona pandemic or COVID-19 has killed many people, but there are many people who are unaffected by this virus. I saw many children, many small children age and very old people who are recovering from this pandemic and young people are dying. How did this happen? This happened because of the strong willpower. As I would like to tell you a real story of a villager, Manji the Mountain Man. This story is surely an answer to the willpower of a great man, Dashrath Manji. Dashrath Manji was a poor laborer in Ghelwar village near Gaya in Bihar, India. The distance of his village from the nearest town was about 12 kilometers. But due to a long standing mountain, one had to go around 40 kilometers to reach the town. He lost his wife as she could not be taken to the hospital in time, all because of this mountain. He then decided that no one else in the village would suffer the same fate as his wife did. So he stood up to carve a path through the mountain. After 22 years of work, he carved a 360 feet long, 30 feet wide and 25 feet high path only using an hammerhead chisel. He alone carved this path. Thus, Dashrath shortened travel between a tree and the town. In 2015, a great movie was also made on his heroic feat, Manji the Mountain Man. It was sheer determination that leads him to carve a path out of a mountain. Wow! This shows his willpower that his wife has died but still his bravery of that anyone else wouldn't suffer as he suffered. I appreciate his willpower that he alone with just a hammer and chisel, he carved a path through a mountain. Although it took 20 years, he didn't give up. Same is with you. You can do anything in this world. You can be anything just by believing in yourself and not giving up. I hope you have learned from this, and so that's all for today. So let's end today's episode of the Lift Your Life Up series with a positive statement. One is never born great. It is the willpower and the action that make one great. M.K. Soni. So I'll see you in the next episode. Follow my Instagram, subscribe my YouTube channel, links and description. Stay learning with the Learning Podcast and stay smiling with Naman Shah.